Okay, my name is Rueb. I'm the CEO of mi2-factory. So I would like to introduce to you our EFITRON project, a European collaboration project within IPCEI. So about the context, efficient power electronics is really essential for e-mobility, for AI data centers and all these kinds of things, new technologies. In that respect, silicon carbide plays an important role, but still the manufacturing of silicon carbide is really difficult and tedious to some extent. So what we want to do is we want to contribute to the European technology sovereignty with our IPCEI project and also facilitate the manufacturing of silicon carbide. And what is the challenge? So from a technical perspective, the challenge is really that modern or more advanced architectures of silicon carbide devices require very precise manufacturing, in particular, very precise doping. So what we do is we provide highly precise but scalable doping technology for the silicon carbide industry, in particular for superjunction realization. Superjunction is one of these new architectures. So what can we achieve? We can enable really a cost down of 30% of chip cost for silicon carbide power chips. And we can also contribute to enhancing the reliability of chips. So how are we going to do that? Or how are we doing this? So we are providing a solution, a so-called ion implanter, a high energy ion implanter, a very compact machine. So our technology really relies on three pillars. So the first one being an ion accelerator, a high energy ion accelerator that originates from the medical industry. Secondly, of course, we require semiconductor manufacturing knowledge and technology. And thirdly, we require a specific MEMS component, which is our key innovation, you could say. And all this has to be combined within our collaborative project. One of our main partners is a Belgian company called IBA, who are the world leader in medical accelerators. So what we have here provided by IBA is a very compact high energy ion accelerator. Then of course what we also need and what we have is collaborations with potential users of our technology within the IPCEI framework and also outside of the IPCEI framework. And then also we have collaborations with research institutes who provide certain aspects of our technology and who test certain aspects of our technology. So what we're really looking for in terms of collaboration is companies or institutions who will support us in joint application development. And also we are looking for companies in particular who are ready to implement our technology in pilot lines and in process validation. So very open to all kinds of collaborations within our European IPCEI framework to foster technology sovereignty of the European Union. Okay, thank you.